Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into Oppo A53s. First of all, find on your device Google application, this one. Then go into, and now we got on the bottom right corner more option. So click it, and then you choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and here you need to scroll down and find general option, this one. Then need to click here on the switcher to turn on Google Assistant. To confirm operation, turn on one more time, and that's it. Now we activate our Google Assistant option in your Oppo A53s. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.